I like that. Sorry. Hey everybody, Jim here. Hope you're doing well. This tune reminds me of an instrument I used to play, vibraphone. I was very intense with jazz vibraphone for many, many years. I actually had a truck where I had the cap designed for the vibraphone to go right into the truck, so I didn't have to take it apart. I played a lot when I lived out in Los Angeles. I have one at my school, and maybe I'll play it for you. It's like a piano, but it's bigger and heavier, and it only has 3 octaves. I'm so detailed because this tune, which is out of the first book, it's a Johnny Mercer tune. It's titled Laura, and the music is by David Ratskin. I'm going to play it for you, and then I'll just talk about some advanced techniques. This is definitely leaving beginner land if you want to get the pedal down right and all the other notes. But it's beautiful, and when we see something slowly with expression, one, I love it because I have been so busy, so playing slow helps me calm down. But with expression, you can go ahead and create the dynamics as you like, and also change up the tempo, maybe build a retardando. So I have practiced a little bit, so I'm going to perform it for you guys and then talk about some practice tips. This is a page that not many beginners get to in this book, unfortunately. If you do, you might be pulling your hair out because you're going to see sharps and flats in the same measure and all that. But if I can do it, you can too. I do mean that. I'm just super patient. We'll probably edit that out because it looks like I'm eating the piano. All right, this tune is called Laura, and it's done many different ways. This will be kind of probably like a jazz ballad, I suppose. Here I go. I like that. Sorry. Hope you didn't mind my lyrics in there, little laugh. Well, that's one take, and I was thinking about my voicing and colors and stuff. So if I look at this section that she gave, this part, it's kind of in depth. And earlier I was trying to give some color, by the way, with dynamics. I wanted to just play this again to see if I can shape it better. Then I'm going to give some tips for those who are into pedaling, and then you have a note tied over to the bar and all that. So yeah, I'll begin at this bar here. Here I go. I like that nice and loud. Yeah, that has to build, it builds, and it has to be stronger there. I've noticed in this book the endings are always a bit tougher than the whole piece. That's all right though. I'll start from Laura here. Here I go. And that part there, you have that seventh. That's pretty tricky if you're sight reading it. You can do it. Little breath mark. All right, so some quick tips if you're into this tune, you're into this kind of music. This is very piano oriented. So we have a nice tie going over the bar line, but we also have a pedal. So frequently asked questions. I can speak. What we got going on here is, if I take it from the middle of the phrase, we don't mind now, is if I play Misty Night to watch my hand, it stays down, pedal goes up. Do you hear that? I'll do it again. I'll play it loud so you can really hear it. Pedal is up. I'll take that out. All right. 2, 3. Hands down, pedals up. Do you hear it? That's super important to work on. That's why it reminds me of vibraphone, because vibraphone you had to do that. A lot of times I had to do mallet dampening. This probably is no interest to anyone. But anyway, I guess as I age and go through music and live a life of music and teaching, I think about all the different things I've learned, small to big. But you want to just practice that E, finger down, pedals up, you still can hear it. That's important. That's very musical. And then pedal up. That happens a bunch of times in this tune. You know, like going into the laugh right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. They actually were smart. They put the pedal up, excuse me, but I don't know. I think I was thinking of the tie over the bar line. But that's one spot that's pretty tricky. The other spot with coordination would be in here. It's beautiful you do it right. Take your time. From Summer Night, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And I messed that up. Boy, I'm really gonna get some unsubs. Just kidding. Teachers make mistakes. Pros make mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So that was better, except I would shape this part here a little softer and grow, and maybe, Jim, can you point to the right music? Yeah. And maybe you can take your time, maybe slow down and then grow louder. You want to hear your sound. You want to make sure that when you're shaping things, you're doing well. And yes, you can't see this very well because it's copyright. By the way, I'm Jim. I didn't introduce myself, but welcome. I'm pretty laid back. I love music. I love piano playing, and I'm going to get into a lot of other stuff. I've almost completed my page by page out of this series. I wanted to do it for research and development. Also, when I started YouTube, some people said, well, you're not giving us the beginning. We need to know this. We need to know that. Now I have a playlist, so we can do that. All right. Take care, everybody. Keep playing. Happy spring wherever you are. Bye-bye.